Hello, Driving Intelligence. Abe and I are traveling, and I don't have all my video materials from this timing chain and oil pump replacement. So this next video is me test driving the vehicle on an actual trip. When I get back to my home in Greenville, South Carolina, I will put the other parts of the series, the timing chain oil pump series, on YouTube for everybody to see. Happy holidays. First time I'm driving the truck after replacing the timing set and the oil pump. Abe and I are on our way to my parents' place for the holidays, and both of us think the truck is riding so much smoother and better, less vibration. May just be my imagination, but it's definitely running good. I think these 10th gen F150s are fantastic, reliable, and if they're properly maintained, they give you a great quality ride. 218,000 miles on this now. I don't have any problem driving. I'm going to be going from South Carolina, Ohio, and I have no concerns whatsoever about this truck getting me there. I think I'll be able to get at least another 200,000 miles out of this vehicle. In fact, I hate to say it, but I drove a GMC 1500, about the same age as this, with over 60,000 fewer miles on it. And I was surprised at how junky that thing felt. Just rattly, the dash, everything just seemed so weak and frail. I was surprised. I can't believe that Chevy thinks those are the longest lasting trucks on the road. I have two 10th gens and I'm going to keep them for a long time. All indications are that everything is running perfectly. Good vacuum,